Want to try this amazing chart? Press equal link rating cell. Use this formula to get rest of the result, subtract the total. Select the data and insert the donut chart. Remove the extra data labels. Double-click on chat and change the angle of the graph. Click on bottom slice and select no fill. Now change the color of top slices. Select data and insert the pie chart. Select the pie chart and set 265 degree of chart. Select the bottom slice and select no fill respectively. Select the slice and set the position of the slicer. Select the circle shape and insert it. Now check the result.